Alright, hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm doing a garden harvest video. So as you can see in my background here, I have been growing collard greens from my balcony in this green stuff. So my overall goal has been just to grow food year round, and just because you live in an apartment or you have a small area, it does not mean you can't do that. Of course you are limited to some things, but there are some things that you can still grow. And so collard greens has done well for me this season, and this is the first time I've actually planted collard greens, so I'm so happy. And this actually be my second harvest. If you go back and look at, if you haven't seen the first harvest, go check that out, because that one was my first harvest and this will be my second harvest. So no matter how much space you have, there is something you can grow, even if it's just one thing. If you saw my last garden harvest video, you'll see the harvest that I was able to get from that plant. But after I harvest that plant, it seemed like the plant just went downhill. So I think that pot is just a little bit too small for collard greens. All right, so this is my harvest, and I'm gonna go inside and clean these all up and cook them up. And I'm gonna cook them the same exact way that I did in the last video, because if it's not broke, don't fix it. And they're really good, so yeah. All right, so we have our greens all cut and washed. Then we have our turkey tail. This time I'm using the turkey tail because they're cheaper. So we are ready to cook these babies. we're just gonna let these cook and simmer, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. We've already been eating on it, but here's the final result. I did want to show y'all this. So this is celery that I use for Thanksgiving, and that's the end piece there, and I actually just put it in water, and it's been growing, so I'm excited to see where this goes. So this has been growing since Thanksgiving, and when it gets warmer I will plant it outside, but for now I'm just gonna let it chill inside and see how far we get.